Welcome to our introduction to cancer genomics, or CGX as it's abbreviated. Cancer has many causes: environmental, lifestyle, aging, hereditary, and various combinations of the above. Cancer is complex and even scary with so many unknowns and what-ifs. However, cancer genomics, which is the study of the human genome as it pertains to cancer, can help you better understand your risk for certain types, such as breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. Having more information about your risk to certain cancers can help you and your doctor in taking preventative action, which can lead to early detection, helping to mitigate the spread of cancer, subsequently increasing your chance of survival. Let's take a look at how genes are related to the risk for certain cancers and how genetic screening can help you. The cells in your body are continuously dividing to create new cells. They do this in order to grow and repair. Inside each cell is your genetic material. It's your genetic material that tells your cells what to be or what to do, determining things like whether it's a hair cell or even a heart cell. When your cells divide, the goal is to make an exact copy of your genetic material for the new cell. With trillions of cells dividing on an ongoing basis, errors are bound to occur, and your genetic material may get a typo or mutation, which is an error in your DNA sequence. Think of it like using a printer. More times than not, everything looks great. However, every few pages you end up with a smudge. Not all errors come from improper duplication. You may have also been born with an error gene or mutation from either your mother or father, or both. When your cells divide, along with all the other genetic material that tells your heart cells to be heart cells and your hair cells to be hair cells, these error genes are also copied and transferred to the new cells. And these error genes or mutations are evident in every cell in your body. How does this relate to cancer? Specific mutations or errors in the genes are associated with high risk to certain cancers. Meaning, if you have a certain mutation in certain genes, you might be at a higher risk for certain cancers. For example, a mutation on the BRCA1 or BRCA2, sometimes referred to as the BRCA gene, is associated with high risk to breast or ovarian cancer. Or a mutation on the MLH1 gene is associated with high risk to uterine, colon, and pancreatic cancer. How can this happen? Before your cells divide, they undergo a very rigorous and complicated series of regulations by proteins in your body. This regulation process keeps your cells healthy and your body functioning as it ought to. Errors can be corrected in your genetic material during this regulation process, while some mutations won't affect the health of your cell. Much like when you see the letters of a word jumbled, but you're still able to make sense of it. However, sometimes due to both environmental factors and error genes or mutations in the genes, this regulation process can go haywire, leading to an unregulated rapid growth of cells, which is cancer. Genetic cancer screenings help to identify the presence of specific error genes that are associated with high risk to specific cancers. Our screenings look at over 100 specific markers within your DNA, which have a direct correlation to the increased risk of developing certain known cancers. The most common cancers associated with these error genes are breast, ovarian, uterine, colon, melanoma, pancreatic, prostate, and stomach. Our screenings can help you determine your risk of developing these or other types of cancer. This information allows you to take more control of your health. Understanding your risk to certain cancers can help you take steps towards minimizing your risk. Having this information can also help your doctor monitor for potential symptoms, which may lead to early detection, more efficient treatment, and even reduction in treatment costs.
To see if you qualify, please go to www.carefreenow.info.